Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. My name is Shannon and this is my daily meditation practice. This is a means for me to reinforce having a daily practice amongst the stress and chaos of our current times and to offer that out to you as a source of relaxation and stress relief for your days as well, to help you cope and to help you develop a daily practice as well. And you get to watch me deal with how to meditate regardless of my conditions and adapting my meditation to those conditions. Now, if you're new to these daily meditations, you only need two things: a comfortable seat, which could be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, outside on the ground, or on a bench, wherever you can stay alert and comfortable for about 10 minutes, and then a place with as few distractions as possible. Now, it's important to be able to meditate with distractions as well, but for right now, just so we can find a little bit of peace, try to find a place with few distractions. Today, what I've decided to do to help me wind down before sleep is a full body relaxation, and it's a new technique I just saw on another video and thought I would do it myself and to share that with you today. So if you have your comfortable seat and, comfortable. Now it's comfortable. If you have your comfortable seat and your place to meditate, then let's get started. And we'll begin by closing our eyes and taking some slow, deep breaths. And just bring your attention to what it feels like to breathe right now. Making sure to keep your spine straight, your shoulders back just a little bit to open up that chest for breathing. How does it feel to you to breathe today? Is it smooth and open and comfortable? Is there some tightness, some irritation? We're not trying to change or fix anything, just notice what's going on for you today. And then picturing that your body is enveloped in a layer of ice. From head to toe, you're covered in this layer of ice. And then imagine this bright sun above you, shining down on you. And as it shines, it starts to warm up that ice from the very top of your head, the crown of your head, and it starts to melt away. Imagine the feeling of that ice melting away on the top of your head. And the ice starts to melt down your forehead and eyes. Melts the ice over your mouth and jaw, warming your skull and dripping away. And with it, any tension or holding that you might be carrying in those areas. The sun warms your neck and slowly melts that layer of ice around your throat. The water runs down. And the sun starts to melt the ice on your shoulders. From your neck down to your shoulders. And it melts away. And the sun shining down the top of your arms, your bicep, and the top of your chest. That whole area. Feel that ice melt. Let it run down, taking with it any tension or tightness that you're holding in that area. Moving down to your elbows and your stomach area, the middle part of your torso. Feel that thick layer of ice slowly melt away. And the sun shining on your forearms, warming them, letting that ice melt and drip away. Shining on your hands, warming that ice, melting that tension away, giving your hands some mobility. And shining on your lower stomach and your lower back area. And it melts that ice. You slowly feel that water drip away. Tension melts out of the muscles. And warming that ice in your hip and sitting bone region. The sun shining on you, warming you, and allowing that ice to melt away. Sun shines its rays on your upper legs, your quads, your thighs, and melts away that ice. Melted ice drips away, taking away that tension, that stress. And shining on your knees, warming them, melting that ice. Then it warms your calf muscles and your shins. Warming that ice, allowing it to melt and drip away. Finally, it shines on your feet, your ankles and your feet, and warms that last little bit of ice encasing your body. Bringing your attention back to your entire body and feeling the sun shine over your entire body, warming, relaxing, like a gently warm summer day. And just breathe. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today for this guided meditation and relaxation. And I hope it helps you get to sleep a lot easier tonight, that you feel less tense, that some of the stress or anxiety or just frustration over being bored, any of that has melted away a little bit with the ice. And wishing you a relaxing evening, a good deep sleep, and a wonderful day tomorrow. Thank you and good night.